So as we get closer, start to get the road. There's another building over there we'll go and check out after, but this is like the road. That's like deteriorating. This is amazing. This feels better than Angkor Wat at the moment. I think Angkor Wat is beautiful, but it's losing its originality with all the restoration, and too many people are there. It's distracting with all the people. This is nice. And it's in a nice setting. Look at that. I don't even know what this temple's called yet. We'll check that on the way out. Yeah, we're just skimming over it quickly. But it's not being done the way that I wanted to do it. But it's still okay. There's a statue missing from there. See them feet there? I wonder who was there. Same sort of layout. I think this layout is partly designed, right, to keep the place cool. Look how high it is. The stone. Oh wow, it goes all the way back there. Wow. Oh. This one feels it's not the one, but it feels Laura Crafty. You know, like feels a bit like Tomb Raider. I could imagine. You know, jumping around in here doing all that stuff. This is one of them ones. With the puzzles, gotta figure it out. Put the bits together. It's one of them. But yeah, the colour of the stones. I don't like them stones there. They could drop any time. But this is a full temple. This is one you should come and check out. I know you guys who do rap videos. I don't know if it's clean words or something, or some Buddha monk style rap. You could probably perform it in here. Nah, but seriously, this has got nice design. I like the stone layouts and stuff. It's quirky. It's really quirky, this is. It's got a nice design to it. The artwork's here. This is cool, man. This is really, really cool. It's a really big estate, let's say. It's a massive estate. This is. It's over there. I don't want people in my videos, man. I don't like that. It's like a maze, man. I don't understand why you'd make all these little rooms. Like, why? You know. But it's cool. Someone be careful there. Why? Oh, so that maybe. Some more original floor. This is nice. I want to go everywhere. Like, we'll go over here and we go back. Wow, it's massive, man. You use like getting all of this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. It's really hot. Also, I did pay $40 for this. So, a like isn't $40. Or a share. If you come in here, save it. Wow, there's so much, man. There's so much to take in here. Just look at the stones. I just heard someone say they've seen a snake. I hope they didn't. Unless it was a statue and then I hope it was.
And spent 3-4 days here. Okay. Then my family's living in Phuket. Okay. So I have 2 daughters grown up in my life, so they're coming. So 7 days, 8 days, we're gonna be in Phuket. Then we go to the wedding and.
This is amazing. That's some real artwork there. That's like, can you see that's in pieces, right?
We're leaving tonight. Oh, you are? Okay. Back to Bangalore?
We go to Bangkok. We're staying in Bangkok for 3 nights.
Nice.
We want to shop for everybody there. So,
Oh, yeah. Good place, huh?
Yeah. And then we just want to relax because it's been 26 days since we have been traveling.
Really? Oh, you took your, after 4 or 5 years of studying, you got some time and you said we're going to do it.
Yeah, because I don't think this has to be done before residency, but then we're doing it after residency.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So, after that,
will you be working in Delhi area?
yeah, she'll be working
This one's a lot more interesting than Angkor Wat. It's got more design. This is really cool, man. This is one I would want to chill in for a whole day or half a day, because you could just chill in different areas of this one, man. And then if I was ever to come back so far, this is the one. This is cool. This is so cool, man. This is the coolest one I've ever been in. It's just so interesting, man. I just want to see more and know what's around it. Like, look at that. Oh, man. Is that what I'm thinking it is? Wait there. Is that what I'm thinking it is? I don't even want to go. I'm scared to go that way. Like, I don't like ducking under stuff. So I'm going to go this way. When I say, oh my God, look at this. Is that like that's a special, like, I've seen these in the movies. But yeah, let me go and see if that was what I would think it is. Why are the heads chopped off, man? Has this place been raided or something? Oh, there it is. Look at that, man. Look at that. That's scary, man. It's not scary, but you know what I mean? Like, that, you look, I don't know if you use like, look. It's mad, like, can you see how, look, it goes all the way over there, right? These are the roots of this tree. What is this tree been eating, man? How many years old is this tree, man? Oh my God, man, this tree, yo, you should eat the leaves off this tree, man. This tree, it's like a giant tree, man. These are what? These roots, I can stand next to this, man. Like, this is crazy. These like, just look at this. Like, there's something. This was magical. Imagine, like, this probably, I don't know, man. Like, they seen this growing, man. Like, can you imagine that? Look at this guy standing on the tree. There's no comparison, man. Wow. I don't know what to say, man. think this was like, is this the Tomb Raider one or what? Look at that pillar there holding that up. Look at the roots on this tree there, like this is the same tree, isn't it? Look at the roots, like, this is crazy. This is like, I can't think of that movie, but this reminds me of something, man. Wow, is the tree even alive? It must be alive still. Yeah, it's got leaves on it. I wonder what strain of tree that is. Must be some serious rich water around here. Not all the trees are like that, just this one. What was there, man? Why is this temple here? What's like, that's a clue that something's here. And it's not activated right now. Because no one knows how to switch it on. Look at that. I'm not going in that one. Look up there. I'm gonna walk around this. There's some water there.
Oui.
Some water over there. But nah. This has been amazing, man. You know, like, just like imagining back in these times when everything was in place and like how big the grounds are, and if it was quiet in here, and like if they were killing people and like, what do you call it, like sacrificing people in here. Like you can see things like that. You can see some like, you can see some things have happened. Like, look at this, you know, like when someone takes over, they come and they you know, they change things that would make me know what it meant. Now I don't know, because whoever conquered here has damaged things that we need to know, so that we don't understand everything. So now I can't tell, you know what I mean? Like, it's hard to read history so well. We can only guess some parts of it. But yeah. That was just a quick walkthrough. I'm gonna walk through this side now if you want to join me. But if you're gonna join me here, you gotta like and subscribe, man. And then I'll do this more often. Like, this is it's not your usual historian walk. This is like a normal guy from Birmingham experiencing things that I'm not used to, man. This is all new to me. Well, I get it, man. Like, I get it. So I'm gonna go back through another door now to get a different look.
Oh, film me. Okay, you're gonna need to start talking.
But we're leaving now. Just walk in, walk out. There's no time to chill, because I only got the one day ticket, so I want to see if there's anything else like that connects to me like this one. 'Cause this one connected to me, man. I felt this one. I hate going under things like this. I don't think I'm gonna go this way. I don't like bending down like that. A bit vulnerable like that. So we're ending up going the way we came, but we'll still get to see different things. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's go. Let's have a look. Okay. don't like in there. It's like a replica of the other side. How you do that, man? Let's go this way. They said it was going to be a rainstorm today. Well, it's not true. So I'm glad I went against it. And I'm feeling better now. Because I sorted things out. This is a nice open space to hang out in. I like this part. It's cool, is it? So yeah, so far, this has been the best one. I'll give it like 8 out of 10. Only reason it gets 8 is because I don't know if there's going to be one that's better to say it's 10. But yeah, I'm done now. I'm supposed to go over to that other side on the right, but I think I've seen enough. I get the structure and everything. Yeah, man. Probably just gonna take some photos now, and leave it at that. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will do more like this for you today.